Happy day, children. This is 10th standard lesson 12 biology, plant anatomy and plant physiology. First we'll start with our choose the correct answer. So I've written only the answer here. I'm not given the choose. So you learn as a fill up so that it will be remembered by you easily. Casparian strips are present in the endodermis of the root. Okay, it is endodermis. The endark condition is a characteristic feature of stem. I repeat, the endark condition is a characteristic feature of stem. The xylem and phloem arranged side by side on same radius is called conjoint, which is formed during anaerobic respiration. Ethyl alcohol. Krebs cycle takes place in mitochondrial matrix. Okay, mitochondrial matrix. The last one, oxygen is produced at what point during photosynthesis? When H2O is splitted, when water is splitted, oxygen is formed. Is that clear, children? Now let's move to the fill in the blanks. Okay. The innermost layer of the cortex in root is called endodermal and vascular tissues. Okay, it is endodermal and vascular tissue. Xylem and phloem are arranged in an alternate radii constitute a vascular bundle called conjoint bundle. It is called conjoint. Glycolysis takes place in cytoplasm. The source of oxygen liberated in photosynthesis is when water is splitted. Okay. So these are the answers. The innermost layer of the cortex in root is called endodermal or endodermis, and then it follows by the vascular tissue. So endodermal, and here it is conjoint, C-O-N, conjoint, J-O-I-N-T. It is cytoplasm, and when H2O means water, when water is splitted. Now the fifth question, mitochondria is ATP factory of the cell. So where is ATP produced? Mitochondria. M-I-T-O, mitocon, C-H-O-N, chondria, D-R-I-A, mitochondria. I repeat, M-I-T-O, mito, C-H-O-N, chondria, D-R-I-A. Now coming to true or false. If it is false, you have to give the correct statement for it. So we will learn two answers for this. Okay. Phloem tissue is involved in the transport of water in plants. It is false. It is involved in the transport of food, not water, food. The waxy protective covering of the plant is called cuticle. True. In monocot stem, cambium is present in between xylem and phloem. False. It is in dicot stem. In dicot stem, it is present. Okay. Either you can change this as dicot or you can change present as absent. In monocot stem, cambium is absent. Either way you can write. So it is false. Palisade parenchyma cells occurs below the epidermis in dicot root. It is false. Okay. It occurs in the leaf, not the root, but in the leaf. So correct answer is in the dicot leaf. Mesophyll contains chlorophyll. True. It is true. Anaerobic respiration produces more ATP than aerobic respiration. False. Aerobic respiration produces less, not more, it is less. Okay, so these are the true or false answer. Now we'll move on to match the following. Okay, the match the following answer is given. Amphicribral. The answer is fawn. Cambium, secondary growth. Amphivasal, okay, Dracania. Xylem, conduction of water. Phloem, conduction of translocation of food. Children, follow this and make your revision.